We strongly believe in the saying, if you don't have an assistant, you are one. Let's face it, doing $6 an hour tasks yourself is like putting a $6 per hour price tag on your time. Our virtual assistants, specializing in social media management, SEO, video editing, and more, are available from just $6 per hour. Schedule a call now via the link in the description.
Hey there, if you're thinking about hiring virtual assistant but aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about some of the best resources out there to find right VAs. Virtual assistants can bring major value to your business, but the challenge is knowing where to look. So let's go over some reliable platforms and resources to help you find a VA that really fits your needs. Alright, first up, we have freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These are some of the most popular options out there, and for good reason. Upwork and Fiverr host a massive network of VAs with a wide range of skills. On Upwork, you can post a job with your requirements and wait for applicants to roll in. Or you can browse profiles and invite specific people to apply. Fiverr works a little differently. You browse through services that VAs offer. You can quickly see reviews, ratings, and prices to make a decision. Both of these platforms are excellent if you're looking for flexibility and a wide selection. Now, let's talk about dedicated virtual assistant agencies. Belay, TamETZ, and Boldly. Unlike freelance platforms, VA agencies typically match you with a virtual assistant based on your specific needs, and they handle the vetting process for you. Agencies like this are a bit more expensive than hiring directly, but you get the advantage of knowing that the VAs are often highly qualified and ready to go. Plus, many of these agencies offer ongoing support. So if something isn't working out, they can help you find a replacement or adjust the arrangement as needed. Another great option is using remote job boards like We Work Remotely, Remote Corporation, and Virtual Locations. These sites are focused on remote and freelance job opportunities, so they attract talent who are already experienced in remote work. Posting a job listing on these boards can help you find skilled virtual assistants looking for both short-term gigs and long-term roles. It's also a good way to get applicants who are serious about working virtually, often have more specific experience. If you prefer a more specialized approach, check out social media groups and professional networks. Facebook, LinkedIn, and Reddit have groups dedicated to virtual assistants and remote work. For example, you'll find Facebook groups specifically for VAs looking for clients, and on LinkedIn, you can search for VAs directly or ask for recommendations. Reddit has forums like R4Hire or R Virtual Assistant, where VAs post their services. The advantage here is that you can sometimes connect with more specialized or niche VAs this way, and you can ask around for personal recommendation, which adds a layer of trust. Lastly, there's the option for referrals from your own network. You know other business owners or freelancers, ask if they work with any great VAs. Referrals can often lead you to reliable, proven candidates who come the recommendation from someone you trust. Plus, when the VA is referred, they're often already familiar with the type of work you're looking for. So, to sum it up, you've got a range of great resources from freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to specialized agencies like Belay to remote job boards and even social media groups and referrals. Each of these has its own strengths, so the right one for you depends on your budget, your needs, and how much time you invest in the hiring process. Good luck! And here's to finding a VA that takes your productivity to the next level.
Are you looking to outsource your work? Our skilled virtual assistants are available from just $6 per hour. Click the link in the description to schedule a call with us. If you liked our video, hit the like button and share the video. You can subscribe to our channel for more such content.